Hello guys, welcome back to Kinso YouTube channel. In this video you will learn how to make this beautiful casual gown. It is very easy to make, so do ensure to watch this video till the end if this is something you would like to make for yourself. If this is your first time seeing Kinso YouTube channel, this is the right channel for your DIY tutorials, so do ensure to hit the subscribe button so as to be notified when we have new updates for you. So our old subscribers and our new subscribers, thank you for sticking around. We really appreciate your support, and we hope that you tell your friends and loved ones about Kinso YouTube channel. We just hit 7,000 subscribers, guys. We're so happy. Thank you so much for your support. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. All you need for this style is 2.5 yards of your fabric of choice. So this is the part where they measure the fabric, as you can see. So I folded it into two folds, leaving 2 inches allowance for the front part. So the folded part is the front, or is the back of the gown, while the part where I left 2 inches extra allowance is for the front, because the gown has a slit in the down part. So the first thing I did was to measure the shoulder, take the shoulder measurement, which is 7.5 inches. So I placed this ruler here for just to hold the fabric in place, then 13.5 inches for the arm measurements together with the hem allowance on the sleeve part. So on this side here, I measured 1 inches for the shoulder slope. Throughout this tutorial, you will notice that this ruler will be on this part. The breeze was really much, so I had to just put the ruler there to hold the fabric in place. Then I measured 3.5 inches for the neck width for both the front and the back. So for the back, I measured 2 inches for the neck depth, and then I measured 8 inches for the front neckline. If you notice, the front neckline is V-shape. So this is exactly how I'll be drawing the back the front neckline. Remember, all you need for this style is just 2.5 yards of your fabric of choice. The breeze was really disturbing, and I really want to show you guys how I actually made this beautiful gown. So you can see the first thing I did was to cut out the 2 inches for the neck for the front of the back of the gown. Then I folded the fabric, the front of the gown by the 2-inch allowance, as you can see, and then I cut it out. I wanted to cut it out on fold, but the breeze was really disturbing. So since I could actually achieve what I wanted even without folding it, I just had to leave it open. So if you do yours either way, you are good to go. So guys, this is how I actually achieved the beautiful neckline you see on this gown. On the side of the gown here, on the shoulder measurement, I measured on the shoulder side, I measured 8 inches. And remember, we already took out 1 inch for shoulder slope, so which means the arm allowance is automatically 7 inches. While for the down part of the gown, I measured 17 inches and connected it to the arm measurements. And the next thing I did was to cut out the measurements, and this is what we have. So after that, I measured 21 inches on the front of the gown, right there from the down part up, and this would be the allowance for the slit. And all I did was to just make a notch right there. I didn't cut, I just make a notch, and then I notched the down part so as to know exactly where the 2 inches allowance stopped. And this is what I have after sewing. So this is exactly what yours will look like if you cut it the way I did. While if you fold the V part, the V neckline, and the neckline before cutting, the edges will be intact with the neckline. So this is what the slit looks like, very beautiful. This style is very easy to make and you will really love it. And this is what the right side of the gown looks like. You can see how beautiful it is. And this is what the slit looks like. This is a very beautiful outfit you can wear indoor and even rock it out on weekends. So guys, like I always say, all the beautiful outfits you do see on this channel are available for sale at our store, King Fashion Limited. We are located in Kaduna State, Nigeria, and we offer our service within and outside Nigeria. These are the beautiful outfits we have. You can bring in your fabric for bespoke services, and you can also order for what we have already, which are the ready to wear. Our outfits are very beautiful. You can rock them out as office wear, for events and any events. So guys, do ensure to check us out on Instagram and TikTok. We're also on Twitter, Facebook, everywhere. So do ensure to patronize us and support this brand. If you are yet to like this video, this is the right time to hit the like and subscribe button, and do ensure to check back every week for new tutorial. Thank you, and do remember to say congratulations to us as we just hit 7,000 subscribers in the comment section. Thank you so much for your love and support. We really appreciate you guys, and we hope to hit 10,000 subscribers and more before this year ends. Thank you, and see you in our next video. Bye.